Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make your designs pop with easy Canva motion graphics tricks? Click Create, then select Videos from the menu. Next, choose the Landscape option to begin creating your landscape video project in the editor. To begin creating motion graphics for this tutorial, first, select your desired elements in the timeline. Then click the appropriate effect controls. Add blank slides here, then select your background. Adjust its color using the background color picker. We'll start from a blank background. Now you can add elements to customize your design, such as shapes, text, or images as needed. Select a motion graphic sample from the library. Click to add it to your project timeline. Next, apply an animation effect from the options to enhance your visual element. Animate the first element by selecting it, then applying the pop and travel animation effect from the animation menu. Next, extend the animation duration to match your desired timing. After the first animation is set, add another text element to your project. Place this new text where you want it to appear. Once you see the first element finish animating, trigger the appearance of your newly added text. To add a question, select the text box on your slide and type your question. Format it as needed for clarity. If you want to enhance your question, click the Effects button in the toolbar. Here, you can choose from different text effects like shadow, glow, or reflection. Apply the effect that best fits your design. Repeat these steps for each question you want to add and customize in your presentation. To change the text color, first, select the text you want to modify. Look for the text color button in the formatting toolbar, usually displayed as an A or a paintbrush icon. Click this button to open the color palette. Choose your desired color and apply it to the selected text. Next, to add an animation, locate the animation menu or tab in your software. Select your text box, then choose an animation style from the available options. Apply the animation and adjust its settings as needed to customize how your text appears after the initial text. Click on the Elements tab in the left sidebar. Scroll down or use the search bar to find the section labeled Places. Browse through the available photos of beautiful locations. To add a photo to your design, simply click and drag the image, then drop it onto your canvas. You can repeat this process to add multiple place photos and arrange them as you like. First, locate the image you want to use on your site. Click to select the image or complete any necessary adjustments before moving forward. Once the image is ready, you can add additional elements to enhance it. To do this, click the Add button or use the toolbar to select the type of element you want, such as text, icons, or shapes. Drag and position the new item onto your image. Adjust its size and placement as needed to achieve the desired look. Finally, review your composition to ensure everything appears as you want before continuing with your site design. Adjust the saturation as needed. Next, let's work on the background. We'll place all of our images onto the background layer. To organize these images, let's add a frame. Frames help contain and align all the images, making the layout cleaner and easier to manage. Click on the frame tool in the toolbar, then draw a frame that will act as the holder for all your images. Once you have your frame, select the images you want to include. Drag and drop them into the frame area. The images will now be grouped together inside the frame, allowing you to move, resize, or adjust them as a single unit. This method streamlines the design process and keeps your workspace organized. You can now easily adjust the position of the frame. To apply a rainbow effect, start by selecting the rainbow effect in your effects panel. Click and drag the effect onto your desired clip in the timeline, then release to apply it. Next, if you want to duplicate the effect, right-click on the clip with the rainbow effect applied and select a duplicate from the context menu. This creates a copy of your original clip complete with the effect. Move the duplicated clip to your preferred spot in the timeline by simply dragging and dropping it where you want. If you need more instances, repeat these steps as needed. Once the clips are arranged, you may want to adjust the intensity or duration of the rainbow effect. To do this, select the clip, navigate to the effect controls. First, move the object to your desired position on the canvas. Once it's in place, group the selected items by clicking the Group button, which allows you to manage them as a single unit. After grouping, add an animation by selecting the group and clicking the Add Animation button in the animation panel. Choose your preferred animation style from the list to apply it to the grouped objects. If you want to create multiple animation effects, you can add another animation by selecting the group again, clicking the Add Animation button, and picking a new effect. This lets you combine several animations on the same group for more dynamic presentations. Make sure to preview your animations to see how they look and adjust the order or timing as needed for the. Click the play button to preview your project. Next, let's add a new element to enhance the sequence. Locate the section where you want the change and insert your asset. Now focus on the transition between the two clips. To review the transition effect, move the playhead just before the transition and press play again to observe how it looks. If you want to adjust the transition, click directly on it. This will open the transition settings panel where you can customize the effect, such as changing its duration or selecting a different transition style. Preview the updated transition by playing the timeline once more. If you're satisfied, you can continue editing or fine-tune the transition further by dragging its edges to change the timing. Let's add a reverse exit animation. Click the animation panel, choose Exit, and set it to reverse. Now, press play to preview the animation effect. Once your animation is complete, click the Share button, then select Download. Before downloading your video, ensure the quality settings are set to the highest option to maximize the final output for best possible results. You just learned how to make motion graphics using Canva. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.